the dawn of intelligent pricing. AI's grand entrance. Artificial intelligence, often called AI, is profoundly changing how businesses decide on prices. This technology is not just a fleeting trend, it represents a fundamental shift. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of information much faster than any human. This capability allows businesses to understand market dynamics with incredible clarity. They can then set prices that are both competitive and profitable. This new approach is transforming industries by making pricing strategies more responsive and intelligent. It moves beyond simple cost-plus models or gut feelings, introducing a data-driven precision previously unattainable. The implications for businesses are significant, offering pathways to enhanced efficiency and customer understanding. Dynamic pricing is a core concept powered by AI in this revolution. Imagine prices that change in real time, adapting to the current situation. This is what AI enables. Factors like current demand, the amount of product available, and what competitors are doing can all influence these price adjustments. For instance, if many people suddenly want a specific item and stock is low, AI might suggest a slight price increase. Conversely, if an item isn't selling well, the price might be lowered to attract buyers. This creates a pricing ecosystem that is constantly learning and adapting, ensuring businesses remain agile in fluctuating market conditions. This adaptability is crucial for survival and growth in today's fast-paced commercial world. The true power of AI lies in its ability to turn raw, complex data into actionable insights. Businesses collect enormous volumes of information daily, from sales figures to customer clicks online. AI algorithms sift through this data, identifying patterns and correlations that would be invisible to human analysts. These insights then inform pricing decisions directly. For example, AI might discover that customers in a particular region are willing to pay more for faster shipping. This insight allows a business to offer premium shipping at an optimized price point. This transformation of data into strategy is what enhances business agility and boosts overall profitability, making operations smarter. Ultimately, this AI-driven approach fosters a more responsive and adaptive pricing environment. Businesses are no longer making pricing decisions in a vacuum or based on historical data alone. Instead, they are equipped with tools that predict future trends and react instantaneously to current market shifts. This leads to optimized revenue, as prices align more closely with true market value and customer willingness to pay. Furthermore, it can improve customer satisfaction by offering fair and relevant prices, although this requires careful ethical management. The integration of AI into pricing is not just an upgrade, it is a redefinition of how value is determined and captured in the modern economy, paving the way for more sophisticated commerce. Decoding the customer: how data shapes modern pricing. Understanding customer behavior is absolutely fundamental to crafting effective pricing strategies in the age of AI. Artificial intelligence systems excel at collecting and interpreting extensive datasets derived from every conceivable user interaction. Think about your own online activities. Every search query you type, every link you click, and every item you add to your cart or eventually purchase contributes to this vast pool of data. Even how long you spend looking at a product page or the demographic information you provide can be incredibly valuable. AI algorithms meticulously analyze these digital footprints to build a comprehensive picture of consumer preferences, habits, and sensitivities to price changes, creating a rich tapestry of behavioral information that guides pricing decisions. This wealth of customer data directly fuels the engine of dynamic pricing. When AI systems understand what makes different customer segments tick, they can help businesses tailor prices more effectively. For instance, purchase history might reveal a customer's preference for premium products, suggesting they might be less price-sensitive for higher quality. Click-through rates on promotions can indicate which types of offers resonate most strongly with specific groups. By segmenting customers based on these behavioral patterns, AI can help businesses present the right price to the right customer at the right time. This level of personalization was simply not feasible at scale before the advent of advanced AI tools, making pricing far more targeted and efficient. Beyond individual customer behavior, AI plays a crucial role in monitoring broader supply-demand dynamics. This involves keeping a constant watch on inventory levels across the entire supply chain. AI systems can track how quickly products are selling, predict potential stockouts, and identify items that are overstocked. Simultaneously, these systems monitor competitor pricing in real time, understanding how rivals are adjusting their strategies. This comprehensive market awareness allows businesses to position their own prices optimally. For example, if a key competitor runs out of a popular item, an AI might identify an opportunity to adjust prices upwards slightly, reflecting the reduced availability in the market. This ensures prices are not just based on internal costs, but also on external market realities. The insights gleaned from both customer data and supply chain monitoring empower AI to perform sophisticated demand forecasting and inventory optimization. By recognizing patterns in past sales, seasonal trends, and even external factors like upcoming holidays or weather events, AI can predict future demand for products with remarkable accuracy. This forecasting ability allows businesses to manage their inventory more effectively, ensuring they have enough stock to meet anticipated demand without over-investing in slow-moving items. Consequently, companies can minimize holding costs and reduce the risk of obsolescence, all while ensuring that their pricing reflects the current and anticipated intersection of supply and demand, thereby maximizing potential revenue and customer satisfaction through availability. AI in the marketplace, real-world magic and moral mazes. Dynamic pricing algorithms are the computational heart of AI-driven pricing strategies. These sophisticated algorithms synthesize the behavioral data from customers and the market data from supply chains to determine the most optimal price points. They can make minuscule or significant price adjustments in real time, reacting to triggers such as a sudden surge in website traffic indicating high demand, or a competitor launching a promotional sale. Furthermore, these AI systems can design and implement personalized promotions aimed at specific customer segments. For example, a loyal customer might receive an exclusive discount, or a price-sensitive shopper might be shown a special bundle offer. Even sales commissions for internal teams can be optimized by AI, perhaps increasing incentives for selling underperforming products. We see these AI-powered pricing strategies in action across numerous industries today. Amazon, the e-commerce giant, is a prime example, utilizing real-time data analytics to dynamically adjust prices for millions of products on its platform, often changing them multiple times a day. Uber's surge pricing is another well-known application, where fares increase automatically when demand for rides outstrips the supply of drivers, such as during peak hours or bad weather. The hospitality sector also heavily relies on AI. Hotels continuously adjust room rates based on booking patterns, local events, competitor pricing, and even individual guest history, sometimes offering personalized upgrade promotions upon check-in. These examples clearly demonstrate the pervasive and impactful nature of AI in modern commerce. However, the increasing sophistication and adoption of AI in pricing bring forth significant ethical considerations. Practices such as surveillance pricing, where prices are tailored based on extensive personal data collected about an individual, raise serious concerns about fairness and privacy. There is a genuine risk that such methods could lead to discriminatory pricing, where certain groups of people are consistently charged more for the same products or services based on their perceived ability to pay, location, or other demographic factors. This has understandably led to consumer backlash and increased scrutiny from political figures and regulatory bodies like the Federal Trade Commission, FTC, which is actively investigating the impacts on competition and consumer protection. Therefore, a critical challenge for businesses is to strike a delicate balance between leveraging AI for enhanced profitability and upholding stringent ethical standards. Transparency in how prices are determined and fairness in their application are paramount to maintaining consumer trust. Companies must ensure their AI algorithms are not inadvertently creating discriminatory outcomes or exploiting vulnerable customers, for instance by excessively raising prices during emergencies. Adhering to evolving regulatory standards and proactively implementing ethical guidelines is not just about compliance, it is about building a sustainable and trustworthy relationship with customers. The pursuit of profit through AI must be tempered with a strong commitment to responsible practices to ensure long-term success and societal acceptance. Navigating the future AI pricing's path to balanced profitability. The efficacy of AI pricing systems hinges on their capacity for continuous learning and refinement. These are not set-it-and-forget-it tools. They require ongoing monitoring and meticulous updates to maintain their effectiveness and ethical alignment. Performance tracking is essential, involving the analysis of key metrics such as revenue impact, customer retention rates, and inventory turnover. This data helps businesses understand how well their AI pricing strategies are working and where adjustments might be needed. Anomaly detection capabilities are also built into these systems to flag suspicious activities, such as bot-driven price manipulation or critical errors in the algorithm's logic, ensuring the system operates as intended and maintains its integrity over time. Regular algorithm updates are crucial for AI pricing systems to adapt to the ever-changing market landscape and evolving consumer preferences. Market conditions can shift rapidly due to new competitors, economic fluctuations, or unforeseen global events. Consumer tastes and behaviors also change over time. AI models must be retrained with fresh data and refined logic to ensure they remain accurate and relevant. Furthermore, regular audits are indispensable for maintaining ethical compliance. These audits help to prevent issues like discriminatory pricing or the unfair exploitation of shortages, ensuring that the AI's decisions align with the company's values and regulatory obligations, fostering a fair marketplace for all participants. The advantages of AI-powered pricing are compelling, offering speed and scale previously unimaginable. AI can process colossal volumes of data, spanning competitor prices, current inventory levels, weather forecasts, and diverse customer segments in mere milliseconds. This enables businesses to make real-time price adjustments, capturing fleeting opportunities such as selling last-minute airline seats or capitalizing on a brief spike in demand. Moreover, AI facilitates granular personalization, allowing companies to craft tailored offers for individuals or very specific micro-segments of their customer base. This targeted approach can significantly enhance conversion rates and cultivate stronger customer loyalty by making consumers feel uniquely valued and understood through relevant offers. Despite these powerful benefits, there are important caveats and potential downsides to consider. Unchecked AI algorithms could inadvertently lead to ethical and legal risks such as systemic discriminatory pricing or accusations of price gouging during critical situations. The evolving regulatory landscape also creates a degree of uncertainty, with potential for reputational damage if companies are not careful. Over-automation can introduce volatility, sometimes triggering undesirable price oscillations like a race to the bottom where competitors continually undercut each other, or sudden price spikes that frustrate customers. Finally, if the historical data used to train AI models contains inherent biases, the AI can amplify these biases in its pricing decisions, potentially alienating certain customer groups and perpetuating inequities. Careful human oversight is key.